Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our presentation on empowering governance, risk, and compliance with Microsoft Power Apps. Today, we'll explore how low-code solutions, automation, and security can simplify GRC processes. Over the next few slides, we'll look at practical ways to enhance efficiency and strengthen security within your organization. Let's get started. Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft Power Apps for GRC. In this section, I'll show you how Power Apps empowers organizations to manage governance, risk, and compliance more effectively. One of the key benefits is that Power Apps allows users with little to no programming experience to develop solutions. This means that the process of creating GRC tools is no longer limited to specialized developers, but can be democratized across all levels of an organization. This democratization is crucial because it accelerates digital transformation in GRC. More people can participate in building solutions, leading to faster project delivery and notable cost savings. Power Apps provides easy-to-use tools that help automate workflows, manage data securely, and promote collaboration across teams. These features work together to ensure seamless operations and boost team efficiency. At its core, Microsoft Power Apps is a low-code platform designed specifically to simplify GRC tasks. It enables beginners and teams with limited programming skills to quickly build effective solutions. This ease of use not only streamlines processes, but also encourages a more agile approach to governance, risk management, and compliance. Ultimately, Power Apps makes GRC more accessible and manageable for everyone involved. Let's talk about why Microsoft Power Apps is a great choice for governance, risk, and compliance. First, it offers built-in governance and security features that help us stay compliant and protect our data. These measures are essential for safeguarding sensitive information and ensuring we meet organizational standards. Next, automation plays a big role in saving us time and money. By automating manual tasks and improving collaboration between business teams and IT, Power Apps creates a more productive and unified work environment. Additionally, Power Apps includes ready-made connectors and AI helpers that accelerate app development and data handling. These tools simplify complex processes, making it faster and easier to build solutions without starting from scratch. Seamless integration with Microsoft 365 tools like Power Automate, SharePoint, and Outlook further enhances our workflow automation. This connectivity ensures data flows smoothly across different platforms, boosting efficiency across the board. And perhaps most importantly, Power Apps' low-code approach makes app creation accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a developer to innovate and build effective solutions, which empowers a wider range of users to contribute to our GRC initiatives. Let's take a closer look at the built-in governance and security features of Microsoft Power Apps. One of the key aspects is security logging and audit trails. These tools help us monitor activity across the platform, allowing us to detect any anomalies or suspicious behavior quickly. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and ensuring we can respond promptly to any potential security issues. Moving on, comprehensive monitoring and auditing involve regular vulnerability scans, penetration testing, and the use of two-factor authentication. These practices significantly strengthen our security posture by helping us identify and address potential threats before they can cause harm. Another important feature is role-based access controls. This allows us to restrict who can see or modify certain data based on their role within the organization. It ensures that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive information, which is vital for maintaining data integrity and confidentiality. We also rely on advanced encryption protocols, like AES 256-bit encryption, to protect data both at rest and in transit. This means that even if data were intercepted, it would be unreadable to unauthorized users, keeping our information secure. Lastly, Microsoft Power Apps complies with a wide range of industry standards and certifications, such as ISO 27001, SOC, Sarbanes-Oxley, NIST, CMMC, and Microsoft Purview. These certifications demonstrate our commitment to meeting rigorous security and compliance requirements, which is essential for supporting governance, risk, and compliance initiatives across your organization. Together, these features form a comprehensive security framework that helps you confidently leverage Power Apps for your governance and compliance needs. Let's take a closer look at how our incident reporting solution supports effective governance, risk, and compliance through Microsoft Power Apps. First, we have real-time dashboards that display incident status and risk levels as they happen. This means the entire team gets transparent updates instantly, allowing us to respond quickly and coordinate efforts more effectively. Next, our AI-powered pattern detection scans data to identify unusual trends early on. This capability helps speed up investigations and supports better decision-making by catching potential issues before they escalate. Then, we have automated alerts that notify the right teams immediately based on severity or deadlines. This ensures that urgent incidents are addressed promptly, reducing response times and preventing overlooked cases. All incident reports are stored in a centralized location, which is a key point for thorough record-keeping. This way, nothing slips through the cracks, and we have a comprehensive history for audits or reviews. Finally, the incident reporting apps provide digital forms that are accessible on any device. This accessibility ensures quick and accurate incident submissions, making it easier for employees to report issues promptly wherever they are. Together, these features create a robust, transparent, and efficient incident management process that aligns perfectly with our broader governance, risk, and compliance goals. Now, let's take a closer look at the Risk Assessment Tracker. One of its key features is that all changes are tracked with a comprehensive version history. This is crucial for audit readiness, as it allows us to see exactly what was changed, when, and by whom. It promotes accountability and transparency within risk management processes, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Another important aspect is automated risk notifications. Risk owners receive alerts automatically whenever their attention is needed. This helps us respond quickly to potential issues, reducing the chance of risks slipping through the cracks. The tracker also includes visual risk dashboards, which feature heat maps, bar charts, and pie charts. These visual tools make it easier to understand risk exposure at a glance, highlighting areas that need immediate attention or escalation. Visualizations like these are powerful for spotting trends and making informed decisions. Additionally, you can attach files or notes to each risk entry. This allows teams to provide additional context or supporting documentation, making our risk records more comprehensive and useful for future reference. Finally, the system supports customizable risk logging forms. Teams can log details such as risk type, likelihood, impact, and ownership, capturing all the relevant information in a structured way. This ensures that every aspect of a risk is documented thoroughly, supporting effective risk management across the organization. Now, let's look at the Policy Management Portal, which is a key part of empowering governance, risk, and compliance using Microsoft Power Apps. One of the main benefits here is transparent reporting on acknowledgement status. This feature supports audits and accountability by giving us clear visibility into how well employees are engaging with policies. It helps ensure everyone is on the same page and compliance metrics are easily trackable. Automated reminders play a crucial role too. They ensure that acknowledgements are completed on time, reducing the risk of missing deadlines and helping us stay compliant with policies. This automation really streamlines the process and keeps everything on schedule. Another important aspect is policy acknowledgement tracking. It's not just about employees viewing policies. They need to actively confirm they've read and accepted them. This promotes accountability and ensures that employees are truly informed about the policies they're expected to follow. Version control is also vital. With edit history and restricted editing rights, we maintain the integrity of our documents. This prevents unauthorized changes and keeps our records accurate and reliable. Finally, all of this is centralized. The portal serves as a single location to store, organize, and access policies, procedures, and guides by type, department, or date. This makes retrieving and categorizing essential documents quick and easy, so everyone can find what they need without hassle. Overall, this portal is designed to make policy management more transparent, accountable, and efficient, key elements in strengthening our governance and compliance efforts. Let's take a closer look at the Compliance Checklist app. Structured task management is at its core, helping teams keep records current and accurate. When records are up to date, it directly boosts our regulatory compliance, making sure we meet all necessary standards. One of the key features is automated reminders. These help ensure tasks stay on schedule and reduce the chances of errors slipping through. Automation like this really streamlines the process and keeps everyone on the same page. The app also integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools such as SharePoint and Outlook. This integration fosters smooth collaboration across different teams, making communication and document sharing effortless. Another important aspect is real-time progress tracking through dashboards. These dashboards provide a clear view of what's completed, what's in progress, and what's overdue, giving teams instant insights into their current status. Finally, the app makes assigning audit and review tasks straightforward. You can assign specific owners, set due dates, and attach relevant documentation. This clarity helps ensure accountability and thoroughness in every compliance task. Altogether, this app embodies how structured, automated, and integrated tools can empower governance, risk management, and compliance efforts across the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at the Audit Trail dashboard. This tool really empowers our governance, risk, and compliance efforts by promoting transparency and accountability across all teams. When everyone has clear visibility into actions and decisions, it builds a culture of trust and responsibility within the organization. One of the key features here is automated data validation. This ensures that our audit records are accurate and reliable, reducing errors and making the entire audit process more trustworthy. It's a crucial step toward maintaining data integrity. Next, we have real-time reporting tools. These allow us to monitor compliance status, identify risk indicators, and assess audit readiness at a glance. With these insights, organizations can proactively manage risks and stay ahead of potential issues. Additionally, the dashboard offers role-based views. This means that executives, compliance officers, and risk managers see tailored information relevant to their responsibilities, making the data more meaningful and actionable for each user. Finally, the audit trail itself provides immutable logs of every user action, whether it's edits, approvals, or deletions. These logs are time-stamped, giving us precise tracking of activities, which is essential for thorough oversight and accountability. Altogether, this dashboard not only enhances our governance, but also strengthens the foundation of trust and transparency essential for effective compliance management. Now, let's talk about building your first GRC app, starting with step 1, choosing a template. This step is really about setting a solid foundation. By selecting a template, we can accelerate the app development process and help beginners feel more confident. It simplifies things, making the process accessible even if you're new to creating GRC apps. Choosing a template gives you a strong starting point that you can customize to meet your specific organizational goals. This flexibility is key because every organization has unique needs, and templates allow you to tailor the app accordingly. Templates also come with pre-built screens and controls. This means you spend less time on setup and are less likely to make common mistakes. It makes the development process smoother and more manageable. And the best part is, there are ready-made templates designed for common GRC functions. Whether you need incident reporting, risk tracking, policy management, compliance checklists, or audit dashboards, there's likely a template that fits your needs. This variety helps you get started quickly and efficiently. So, in summary, choosing a template is about building on a solid, customizable foundation, saving time, and making the process more approachable, key to empowering your organization's governance, risk, and compliance efforts. Now, let's move on to the second step in building your first GRC app, customizing the fields and interface. This is where you really start tailoring the app to meet your organization's specific needs. One of the great things about Power Apps is how easy it is to customize with drag-and-drop controls, making the process intuitive and efficient. You can add fields for risk types, owners, status updates, attachments, and other key GRC data. Whatever information is most relevant to your governance, risk, and compliance processes. When designing the interface, focus on simplicity and user-friendliness. A clear, straightforward layout helps users navigate the app easily, encouraging quick adoption and reducing training time. Keep the design intuitive so users can find what they need without confusion. It's also essential to test each field and function as you go, checking that everything works correctly and that the data flows accurately. This iterative testing ensures the app maintains data integrity and reliability as you build. Remember, the goal is to keep the app straightforward and maintainable, avoiding unnecessary complexity. A simple, clean design not only improves usability, but also makes future updates much easier. Prioritizing simplicity ultimately ensures your app remains usable and adaptable over the long term, supporting your ongoing GRC efforts effectively. Now, let's look at how we can leverage Power Automate to streamline our GRC processes. By automating alerts for new incidents, risk escalations, and policy acknowledgements, we ensure that everyone stays informed about critical updates in a timely manner. This not only helps us respond faster, but also keeps all stakeholders aligned. Next, we can assign tasks automatically to the responsible team members, complete with due dates and reminders. This automation helps us maintain accountability and make sure that tasks are completed on schedule, reducing delays and confusion. We're also seeing great benefits from utilizing AI tools to assist with policy writing, evidence review, and control testing. These AI enhancements reduce manual effort, improve accuracy, and boost the overall quality of our outputs. By automating these workflows, we cut down on manual work, minimize errors, and accelerate task completion. This leads to greater efficiency across the board, freeing our teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. So, in essence, automation with Power Automate empowers us to be more proactive, accurate, and efficient in managing our GRC activities. Let's talk about some best practices for data connection and security, especially in the context of empowering governance, risk, and compliance with Microsoft Power Apps. First, enhancing security is crucial, and one effective way to do that is by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your app. Next, it's important to perform regular vulnerability scans, penetration tests, and security audits. These assessments help you identify potential risks early on and address them before they become bigger issues. Keeping your security posture strong is an ongoing process, and these checks are a key part of that. Another vital practice is limiting data visibility and editing rights through role-based access controls. This means only authorized users can see or modify sensitive information, which greatly reduces the risk of data leaks or accidental changes. Encryption is also essential, making sure that your data is encrypted both at rest and in transit. This protects your information from being compromised if someone intercepts it or gains physical access to storage. Finally, choosing the right data sources for your GRC app makes a big difference. Options like Microsoft Dataverse offer secure storage. SharePoint is great for document collaboration. SQL Server handles large datasets efficiently, and Excel in OneDrive is suitable for simple tracking. The key is selecting a source that aligns with your security needs and ensures reliability in your app. All these practices collectively help you build a more secure, trustworthy GRC environment using Power Apps. Let's talk about some tips and common pitfalls for beginners when working with Power Apps. First, always keep your app simple. Break down complex processes into manageable steps and set clear KPIs to measure success. This approach helps ensure your app remains clear and closely aligned with your business goals. Next, focus on UI and UX design. A poor user interface or experience can really hurt adoption and lead to more errors. If you make your app user-friendly, people are more likely to use it effectively and make fewer mistakes. Another important point is about logic. Don't overcomplicate things. Using too many variables or complex logic makes maintenance a nightmare. Simplify your logic whenever possible to improve maintainability and reduce errors over time. Choosing the right data sources is also critical. Using incompatible or incorrect data sources can slow down your app and hurt its performance. Be deliberate in selecting appropriate data sources that match your needs. Finally, never underestimate the importance of planning. Insufficient planning before you start development can lead to confusion, rework, and delays. Taking the time to plan thoroughly creates a clear roadmap, making the entire process smoother and more successful. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to building effective, reliable Power Apps that truly serve your business needs. Let's talk about user training and support for GRC apps. To truly empower our teams in governance, risk, and compliance, we combine teacher-led sessions with self-paced courses. This way, users can learn the platform basics, understand how to link data, and grasp governance principles at their own pace. This dual approach ensures they gain both a solid foundation and flexibility in their learning journey. We also emphasize practical skill development through hands-on projects, live demonstrations, and step-by-step guides. These methods help users translate theoretical knowledge into real-world application, making the learning more effective and relevant. Supporting our users doesn't stop at training. Ongoing support is crucial. We provide resource centers, community forums, and access to experts, so help is always available whenever challenges arise. This continuous support keeps users confident and capable. Additionally, encouraging early and frequent user testing allows us to gather valuable feedback. This helps us refine the app and training materials, ensuring they meet users' needs and improve the overall experience. Ultimately, our goal is to empower users to share, publish, and troubleshoot independently. When users can handle these tasks on their own, it builds their confidence and reduces reliance on external support. This holistic approach ensures that our teams are not only trained, but also equipped to succeed independently in managing GRC apps. Now, let's look at the summary and benefits of Power Apps for GRC. Power Apps really simplifies how we create and manage applications, which helps us save both time and costs. This transformation makes our GRC workflows more accessible and efficient for everyone involved. One of the key advantages is cost and time savings, but it's also about fostering better collaboration between our business teams and it. When these groups work together more effectively, we can create solutions that are perfectly tailored to our organizational needs. Power Apps also enhances data security and compliance through its built-in governance features. This gives us confidence that sensitive information is managed securely and in line with regulations. Plus, with automation and real-time insights, teams can work faster and more efficiently. This streamlines workflows and boosts productivity across all our governance, risk, and compliance tasks. Finally, for those just starting out, Power Apps offers 5 beginner-friendly GRC solutions. These include tools like incident reporting, risk assessment tracker, policy management portal, compliance checklist app, and audit trail dashboard. Each is designed to make governance, risk, and compliance easier to handle, no matter the size of the team. Altogether, Power Apps is a powerful platform to make GRC work more accessible, secure, and efficient across the organization.